Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. Alright everyone, and we're back with another Dollar Tree shopping spree. And I am just in need of some inspiration. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I have DIYs in mind and I'm not sure how they're gonna pan out because I'm struggling to make decisions on what I'm going to do with them, so it's causing me a delay on my crafting DIY videos. So here I am for inspiration trying to make decisions, and I'm thrown into seeing way more than I was expecting compared to the last time I visited. There's definitely some really cute knickknacks that you can pick up. The spider rings are really cool, and I actually wish I picked those up because when I went back the very next day, it wasn't there anymore. The way they had that set up was a little bit different already. So with all the things I'm seeing, I'm constantly thinking of a DIY Dollar Tree wreath using only Dollar Tree products. And I'm also very inspired by the different characters you can select that are the felt characters. But there's also a lot of other options as well for ideas in terms of what you can use to decorate your own wreath. You can even select any of the signs already made and use that as the centerpiece of your wreath. You can even DIY a wreath with like a spider web and a spider in the center, but they also have them pre-made for you. So it really depends on your tastes, your budget, and your confidence in your ability to DIY it yourself. And like I said, everybody has their own tastes too, or you might just see what you like and just pick that up as your decor and be done. And that's totally fine as well. I'm also really loving these kind of large, cute, sparkling type bats up top. And I think they would also look really great in the center of a DIY wreath as well. I think the idea is that if you're going to make a DIY wreath, I would consider going in and having a theme of your wreath in mind. So say for example, maybe you want vintage, or maybe you want pumpkins or ghosts or skeletons or bats or whatever, so on and so forth. And so I went in for inspiration without a theme in mind, which is fine, and then I became inspired and decided on a theme. They also have these pre-made wreath kits as well that you can choose. And if you love gnomes and prefer those, you could even select a gnome to be on your wreath instead. At a different Dollar Tree, I saw this really cool crescent moon sign with a witch on it, and I thought it was awesome. And it was the only one I'd seen between the two stores. If I didn't already have a theme in mind for my wreath, I might have considered that, but I kind of felt like I was already going over my budget for this project as it is. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!